Welcome back. In this section we shall demonstrate the procedure for replacing a grinding wheel, or in technical terms, mounting a wheel. For the sake of safety, the very first step is to totally isolate the power supply. You will find an adapter nut wrench in the box supplied by the manufacturer, and this special spanner is designed to engage the two holes within the adapter nut. Press in the spindle lock button, loosen the adapter nut, and then remove the old wheel. Position the new wheel carefully onto the back support flange and then replace the adapter nut. Tighten it firmly but without excessive force whilst depressing the spindle lock button. On some machines, a spindle lock is not provided. In such cases, a set spanner is needed to secure the spindle. Otherwise, the procedure is the same as previously demonstrated for dismounting and mounting. We have described the procedure, which you'll no doubt agree is very easy. But we'd like to overview a few important points which should be considered at every wheel change. Firstly, it must be stressed that only the correct wheel fitting tool should be used. Don't improvise. Incorrect tools can damage an adapter nut, and this could cause a nasty accident if it should loosen up. Never use a hammer and drift to loosen or tighten a wheel. This dangerous practice will seriously damage the wheel and the machine's spindle bearings. Next, ensure that the rear support flange is in a good condition and not scored, bent or broken. Note that on depressed center wheels of 125 mm or more, it is strongly recommended that a dished rear flange is utilized in order to provide extra support against the flexing strains. Visually inspect the new wheel, which should also be perfect. No chips or cracks should be seen. Never mount a faulty wheel. Ensure that the wheel's maximum operating speed is compatible with the machine spindle speed. Ensure that the wheel fits centrally and snugly onto the back flange. Never hammer a wheel onto a boss. Also ensure that the adapter nut is not damaged, and when fitted, check that the shouldered edge engages neatly into the hole of the wheel. The nut should then be secured, as mentioned, without excess force. The spanner is made to a length that will provide enough torque from the power supplied by your hand and wrist. Once secured, the machine is operated for a few seconds. Ensure that you hold the machine away from your body and that no other person is in front of you. When the wheel has fully stopped, check that it is secure by locking the spindle and ensuring that the wheel cannot rotate between its mounting flanges. If it's loose, then notify your supervisor. You will find further information on wheels and other mounting procedures in your workbook, which you should now study. After the break, we shall discuss maintenance of grinders.